This is for Year 12 Specialist that comes out of TSSM Exam 2 2018, question number 2. This is A, B and C. Write the solutions to z to the 5 equals 32. Well, z to the 5 equals 32 is over here at 32. So that equals 32 chis of 0. And if that's z to the 5, and if z to the 5 equals r to the 5 chis of 5 theta, therefore r to the 5 equals 32 and r equals 2 and 5 theta equals 0, which means theta equals 0. So write all the solutions in polar form. The first one is 2 chis of 0, and that will be placed there, z1. Z2 will be 2 chis of, I need to go around 5 times, so it's going to be 2 pi divided by 5. And I might just double check that. I've got chis to find, so 2, I've got shift equals gives me chis, 2 pi divided by 5, and close that and then put a bracket around it. And raise to the power of 5. And simplify answer, and 32 is my answer. So I reckon the next, that's going to be 2 pi on 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 pi on 5 is going to be there. That's Z2. Z3 will be 2 chis of 4 pi on 5. So if I make that 4, I also get 32. So 4 pi on 5 is going to be there. That's Z3. Z4 is going to be going clockwise, no, anti-clockwise, so therefore is going to be so that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's going to be Z4, and that's going to be 2 chis of minus 4 pi on 5, and if I make that negative, I also get 32, and the last one should be here at Z5, and Z5 will equal 2 chis of minus 2 pi on 5. Part B, plot them all, done part B. And part C says find the ray, equation of the ray with an endpoint at the origin, which passes through Z2. So there is my ray. I know that's 2 pi on 5. So one equation for the ray could be z equals the argument the argument of z equals 2 pi on 5 is one equation of all of the things on that ray. Another one could be theta equals 2 pi on 5. Another equation could be y equals the inverse tan of, the tan of 2 pi on 5x, where x is bigger than 0. So the equation could be in y's and x's. And the gradient will be the tan of the angle 2 pi on 5. So that's A, B and C.